Hi, George here. Let's talk about what computer you should get for your YouTube channel. You can start on YouTube with any computer, so start with what you have. The most important thing is that you're making videos and getting videos posted up to YouTube. You really don't even need a computer if you use online editing and your smartphone, but you will get the best results with a dedicated video editing program and a good computer. But for serious video editing, I always prefer a desktop due to more power, multiple hard drives, more memory, etc. Plus, the external monitor is a lot larger than you get with a laptop. I may do some work on my laptop, but only if I'm away from the office. Editing software is also a consideration. I use Camtasia Studio. Video files are huge, and editing several videos together into one finished YouTube video can take up loads of memory and computer drive space, so the standard plan is to get as much RAM and drive space as you can afford. Plus, you may want to get an external hard drive as a backup drive. It would be awful to put a lot of work into editing a video masterpiece and then have things go wrong without a good backup. I also recommend having an online backup service as well, just in case. I like to use Carbonite, but there are several good options. Of course, once your video is up on YouTube, that also becomes another backup of the finished video. I frequently also back up my videos to DVDs. You don't need a fancy looking computer, but gaming computers also make great video editing computers since they have powerful video cards and loads of memory. I use a two-computer setup. One computer is an older computer, which runs my day-to-day stuff with my email program open and a browser window open to my YouTube account, so I can always spot and respond to questions and comments quickly. My other computer is more powerful and is dedicated to video production and editing. It has Camtasia Studio for editing, Photoshop Elements for creating thumbnails, and some other online graphics, plus several other programs that I frequently use. This computer is also used for screen capture programs shown in my YouTube videos, so it has Minecraft on there, Adobe Photoshop, Affinity Photo, and a few others installed, plus anything that I am doing reviews on. Basically business on one computer and YouTube on the other. Both of my computers share one monitor, keyboard, and mouse, which is handled by a TE Smart HDMI KVM switch. This uses an easy keyboard shortcut to switch between computers, and I did a review of this switch on my HTG George channel. I'll put a link for that on the screen right there. If you're really serious about your YouTube channel, then put your money into the best computer you can get. The better the computer, the easier the video creation, and the faster and easier the editing will be. For brands, I've had a lot of good luck with Dell computers, HP, and also Lenovo. Right now I have an HP and a Lenovo. Like everything else, computers do go out of date, and I usually replace my main computer, my editing computer, every 3 years or so. That then becomes my secondary computer. The older one becomes a secondary computer, and the previous secondary computer gets retired at that point. So my main computer is normally 1 to 3 years old, and my second computer is 4 to 6 years old. You may use a different system, but this just works out well for me. As far as where to get a computer goes, I've had good experiences with Best Buy, Amazon, but no matter what, don't wait for a good computer to start creating YouTube videos. Start with whatever you have, and then upgrade as you can afford to. The most important thing is to get videos up.